Welcome back to farming on 40 meters squared. Today we're going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of putting ash on your plants. So what I usually do is I actually burn my own ash, so I ensure that there's no treated wood or any plastics that are in the ash. So I don't take it from the felt. I rather take dried out leaves or straw and then burn it myself. So let's get on to the 10 advantages of putting ash on your vegetable plants. Here we go. Okay, so advantages of using ash on vegetable plants. The first one is it's rich in potassium and phosphorus, which is good for root growth and fruit and flower production. Two, it improves your soil pH, especially if you have an acidic soil. It also, number three, enhances nutrient availability. By adjusting the soil pH, ash can improve the availability of nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, leading to healthier plant growth. 4, it provides essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and trace minerals. 5, it's a natural pest repellent for slugs, snails, and some soft body insects. 6, it prevents fungal diseases. Well, not all, but some of them. 7, it improves your soil structure. 8, it's eco-friendly. It's like an eco-friendly fertilizer. 9, it boosts flowering and fruit production. And 10, balances nutrient deficiencies in your soil. Okay, let's have a look at some of the disadvantages of using ash on vegetable plants. The first one is it is alkaline, so it'll cause your soil to become alkalinic. So if you use too much, it could affect plants like tomatoes, potatoes, blueberries, strawberries. The second one, it obviously causes that nutrient imbalance. The third one is if you use ash from treated wood or from ash that has been burnt with plastics, it will cause obviously a chemical imbalance for your soil. The fourth one is it can harm earthworms and other beneficial microbes. So too much ash can alter the soil chemistry, making it less hospitable for beneficial soil life. So fifth, as we said, is it's not suitable for all plants, so like potatoes, blueberries, but then again, if you use a little bit amount, it still is beneficial. 6, it leaches away quickly, so if you put too much water or if it rains heavily, you won't get the benefit of those nutrients. 7 is the limited nutrient supply, so it doesn't provide like nitrogen. So you'll still have to use like other plants or other fertilizers to boost your nitrogen. And then eight, that can cause salt buildup. So again, if you put too much ash, uh, it can harm the plant roots. Okay, so quickly, a quick best practice is use in moderation. Test your soil pH if you need to. Avoid fresh wood ash on young plants. Apply before you water or before it rains, and pair with other composts or other organic composts. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and to learn a bit more about wood ash on your plants, and like, share and subscribe. Thanks very much. Enjoy. Cheers. Bye.